Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and I look at this gorgeous set of stamps, papers, ephemera. So beautiful. This is the April 2026 box of the month from the Not Too Shabby shop. And normally I have a tutorial for you, but today I actually have something special. I've actually got a little bit of a sneaky peek of not just this amazing new release, which is available today. You can grab it. You can see even more inspiration from our team on our hop, and be sure to expand the description box if you want to check out more video inspiration featuring this month's new releases, subscription releases featuring the box, junior box, paper pad club, and the stamp club. But I have permission to actually give you a sneaky peek of another upcoming release. This will not come out until May 23rd, but I'm hosting a secret sale for a first look and first chance to buy. Now, this secret sale of my upcoming die release is by invitation only. So expand the description box to find out how to get your invitation to join me. But let me just show you what I've made, because I crafted with this month's subscription to make some samples for my upcoming release. I'm not going to show you the actual die set that's coming out, but you're going to be able to make fun cards like these. So this features some beautiful pattern papers from Whispers of Spring, but I actually took ephemera from Honeybee Garden to complete this card. So I love how that one turned out. And I have another sample for tea drinkers, a little bit of honey tea. Again, the ephemera come from the Honeybee Garden, but this time I did use papers from the 6x6 Honeybee Garden paper pad, and this one's super darling. It's a pocket card that is has a little insert slider that you can pull out. I stamped this using the stamp set from the box of the month. This is the larger stamp set, the 6x8 stamp set. You also get a 6x6 stamp set in the box of the month as well. So this is kind of a fun way to add a little hidden message in your card. Here's just another fun variation. Again, this one features Whispers of Spring. These cards also have another little sneak peek of something else that's coming out. We'll be releasing with the coffee cup. You can probably spot it. If you can spot it, tell me what you think it is in the comments below. But with this slider, this again is another pocket card that has a slider insert, and with this card, one of the cool things is that it's actually a gift card holder, so you can use this die set to create a fun way to gift a gift card. And while the shape of the card is coffee themed, you can always theme just depending on the papers that you're using, and give a gift card for that occasion. So if you're giving maybe a spa gift card, you can create with I know Jamie has had some really fabulous releases that are kind of rest and relax themed, and so lots of fun different things that you can do there. And as with all of my ultimate dies, I like to design them for ultimate versatility, and that way you can create a lot of different styles of cards, including a shaker card. So here's a fun one featuring Honeybee Garden, and it's got just some fun shaker bits inside there, a bit of ephemera from Honeybee Garden as well. And for our pups out there, this is a fun little pup cup that features this ephemera piece comes from the coordinating ephemera pack with Whispers of Spring. It's called Garden Critters. Really adorable. That pup looks so sweet. And this just shows you how to make a mini coffee cup, a little pup cup with some whipped cream and lots of fun little accessories that you can decorate your card with. And probably the absolute ultimate coffee cup is this one here. This is just packed full of various different techniques. By the way, if you want to learn how to make these cards, when this die set comes out, be sure to add the option for the classes. I've filmed a masterclass series so that you can see how to make all of these cards that I'm sharing and showcasing today, and they are all filmed in real time so that you can follow along easily, and I can offer a lot more tips and suggestions and alternatives even. Now, this ultimate coffee cup features a side folding shaped card just like this one. It has a slider component just like this, but when you slide it out, there's a little aperture window just like you would make on a shaker card, and it reveals a gift card inside, which you can open and remove. So this, I feel, is the ultimate coffee cup, and I just love that the slider is almost like taking the lid off of your coffee cup. And with this technique, you can even make a flat shaker card. You just fill your shaker bits inside and seal the top portion, and you have an alternative method to making a shaker. But I love getting to revisit some of the individual modules that show you all of these individual components and then putting it all together to create the ultimate coffee cup experience in this shaped card that is a slider reveal holding a gift card. So here's I hope you enjoy the sneaky peek. Launch day for the ultimate coffee cup is May 23rd. But all of the papers that I use, the ephemera that I use, they all come from this month's subscription box, and some of which you may be able to find individually, sold individually, a la carte. So do check out Jamie's shop. I'll leave links to everything in the description box below. When the coffee cup ultimate coffee cup goes live, you'll be able to start seeing that on the Not Too Shabby shop. I'll of course have loads of tutorials on my channel as well, but I highly recommend adding the classes, because this die set, as you can see, hopefully, there's so many different ways to craft with it, and so many different fun styles of cards that you can make. So those master classes, you get all of them for one price, and that way when you go to craft with the ultimate coffee cup, you're going to have a nice resource that you can always go to anytime, and whatever style of card you want to make, you can just watch that video, and it's all in real time. So you can craft along with me. You can always pause, speed things up, slow things down if you want, but I film it in real time so that I can give you as many tips and tricks, talk through alternatives and different options as well. Thanks so much for joining me today. Don't forget to continue to hop along and see even more inspiration featuring this month's subscriptions. You'll find a link to the playlist where all of our videos have been added, and in that description box below, you'll find a link to enter the giveaway for a $25 gift certificate to shop at the Not Too Shabby shop. Don't forget, If you want an even closer look at the actual die sets, and you want to join me for the secret sale for our first chance to see the Ultimate Coffee Cup dies and a first chance to pre-order the Ultimate Coffee Cup die set, expand the description box below and find out how you can score yourself an invitation to that secret sale live stream. That sale is going to be on April 15th. So make sure, if you're watching this before April 15th, to expand the description box and find out how to get an invitation to come join me live and get a closer look at my new die set coming out on May 23rd. Thanks again, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.